This is the SparkFun Weather Shield. It's a little Arduino shield intended to build your own personal weather station. If you look closely on the board, you can see little temperature and humidity sensor in black. The metal cap is a small barometric pressure sensor, and here at the top of my index finger is a small light sensor. The board also features connectors to an external rain sensor, an external wind sensor, and an add-on GPS sensor. While the GPS sensor fits right on the board here, the rain sensor and the wind sensor are much bigger. The GPS sensor provides crucial information about the exact location and time of each measurement. For demonstration purposes, we use a small Grove board, a Grove LCD screen and a small LED. Now I'm going to connect the SparkFun Weather Shield to the Grove board. Underneath there's a basic Arduino board. Like any other Arduino board, we can just plug the contacts in, restart the board, and the program begins to run. To demonstrate the functionality of the temperature and humidity sensor, we connected a small LCD screen to the Grove kit and the SparkFun Weather Shield. The humidity sensor is this black sensor here. Right now we have a temperature of about 26 degrees. If I now put my index finger on the sensor, the temperature immediately starts to rise to about the value of my body temperature. Also, the humidity adjusts. If I lift my finger again, the temperature falls quickly. To show off the second feature of the SparkFun Weather Shield, we connected the light sensor to this little LED. If the light sensor senses no light, it will automatically turn on the light. And if I lift my hand again and let the sensor sense the light, it will turn off the LED. Just a fun little quirk. Because of the fact that this is a regulated circuit, and it will self-regulate, if I cover the light sensor with the LED, then it will start blinking, because the light sensor senses dark, then it turns on the LED, then the LED is on, it senses light, turns off the LED, and so on and so forth. And that's that. This is the Wunderbar by Relayer. The Wunderbar features 6 small Bluetooth sensors which are connected to a main board. The 6 sensors are a small sound sensor which senses the ambient sound level in decibels, an gyroscope and accelerometer which senses movement and turning motions, a small proximity and light sensor which also features color, a temperature and humidity sensor. And these 2 modules are kind of special because this is an infrared transmitter you can use to control your television or something. And this is a bridge module which features a Grove connector and a Bluetooth module. So basically with this module you can connect any other sensor featuring I2C bus with the Relayer cloud. If I flip every sensor upside down, we see they have quite a similar design, but they are blinking. What the little blinking sometimes means is that they are transmitting data. They transmit data to this main module. If I flip it around also, it is also transmitting data directly to the Relayer cloud. The Relayer cloud is quite a nice feature because it gathers all the data from your sensors and also provides a way to control your 2 external modules. So for this demo we will use the Wunderbar main module, the temperature and humidity sensor and the sound sensor. We will try to sense when this coffee machine is brewing a coffee. Brewing coffee has 2 characteristics. First of all, it makes a loud noise, so we use the sound sensor. Second of all, the hot coffee creates steam going upwards, so we use the humidity sensor. To achieve an optimal result, we place the microphone right there where the machine is the loudest. So we open the machine, and here we have a nice little spot that just fits right in. so we can close the machine again. And second of all, we have the humidity sensor. And here we discovered a space where all the steam is flowing upwards through this little cave there. And it will just hit right on the humidity sensor. So now we are all set. As you can see here, we are connected to the Relayer cloud in this little web application. So here we see the temperature, the humidity and the microphone. As you can see, this is the kitchen, it's a loud place. It just senses for some time, oh, maybe there's coffee in the making just because I'm talking. But the humidity isn't enough, so no coffee. Now if I start a machine, it will start rumbling, grinding the coffee. Now we have the sound of coffee in the making, but still there's no coffee, the temperature, the humidity still needs to rise. Oh, what's happening? Humidity, it is rising! Coffee is brewing! Eureka!